Good morning, student. Welcome to the Gyanjyoti online classes. I am your English teacher, Mr. Prem Kumar Vadik, and today we discuss noun and nouns, common and proper noun. Okay. So today we discuss English grammar chapter 3, standard 2. Okay. Chapter 3, standard 2. So dear student, first you open your grammar book, chapter 3, nouns, common and proper noun. Okay. So this is your grammar book. Okay. And page number 15, chapter 3, nouns, common and proper. So dear student, first we know what is noun. The English word nouns comes from Latin's word nomen, meaning name. Okay. So first you write in your copy what is noun. Okay. So then write down the English word noun comes from the Latin word nomen, meaning noun. The English word noun comes from the Latin word nomen, okay, meanings name. So we have learned that naming word are comes of people, place, animal and things. Naming words are also called noun. So this place write, okay, what is noun. You have learned that naming words are the names of people, place, animal and things, and naming words are also called noun. So this is called nouns. So write down in your copy. Okay, see the book. Okay. So first we know what is common noun and what is proper noun. Okay. So dear student, listen very carefully and see the book. Some columns, some tables are here. Common noun: girls, boy, city, state, country, dog, cat, parrot, river, ocean, lake. So this is a common noun. So proper noun, another side: Prachi, Harsh, New Delhi, Bihar, Australia, Tommy, Whiskers, Mithu, river, Nile, Indian, ocean, Dal, lake. So this is proper noun. So in this year, monument, day, month, book, festival, holiday, Taj Mahal, Gateway of India, Charminar, Sunday, Monday, Friday, January, September, December, the Ramayana, the Holy Bible, Diwali, Holy Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. This side proper noun. So both columns in this table have nouns listed in them. Okay. The general names are common noun. General names. One of the names Jitu, Gitu, and another girl's name Geeta, Nita. One of the common nouns. The special name are proper noun. Special name. Some of the special name: Taj Mahal, New Delhi, Gateway of India. So this was common, proper noun. Okay. So write down what is common noun and what is proper noun. In your copy, see the blackboard. The general name of a person. See the blackboard and write down in your copy. Okay. Place. Animal. Or a thing. This is a common noun. So here first you understand this one, the general. So dear student, first let's understand what is a common noun. Okay, the general name of a person. General name of the person, one of the person. Place, animal, some animals, or a things is a common noun. Okay, so कोई भी person, people या कोई भी जगह या कोई भी animals, कोई जानवर या कोई चीज जनरल होने से, जनरल नाम होने से उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, कॉमन नाउन. ओके, सो you have already understand this. Okay, so second one is proper noun. What is proper noun? Okay, what is proper noun? You see the book, what is proper noun? Okay, the special name of a person, place, animal, or a things is called a proper noun. Proper noun. Okay, so dear student, first you understand the special name, not common, not general, some special name of a person, okay, place, animal, or a things is called a proper noun. Okay, so next is proper nouns. You understand very easily. So that is a proper noun. A proper noun always begin with capital letter. With a capital letter. First you know proper noun first letter. For example, first letter Taj Mahal. First key is the big letter or capital letter. So we have decided or knowing proper noun. Okay, so a proper noun always begin with capital letter, so that's called proper noun. Okay, so dear student, you clearly understand this one, what is common noun and what is proper noun. Okay, so now open your copy and write down some question answer. Okay, do it in your copy. So that is underline naming words in this sentence. Underline. आप लोग को जो भी naming words, first you know naming words. Okay, so just do some question answer. Okay, number one is car is made from milk. Okay. So dear student, see the blackboard and sentence curd is made from milk. So let's know what is naming word. So curd is a naming words and other one is milk. Curd and milk is naming words. Okay. So we know this one. First sentence, curd is made from milk. Okay. Milk से curd बनता है. Okay. So these two words sentence is naming words. Okay. Then second number, Ravi like puppies. Ravi like puppies. See the blackboard. Which one is naming words? Okay, dear student, see the blackboards. Ravi, one of the naming words. Okay, and others puppies. Okay, both are a naming words. First is Ravi, then other is puppies. Okay, so this sentence two words is a naming word. Okay, let's third number. Hari. Hari is eating guavas. What? Guavas. Okay. So which word is naming words? Dear student, Hari is eating guavas. Hari क्या खा रहा है? Guavas. ठीक है? So Hari is the naming word and other is guavas. Okay? In this sentence, two words is a naming words. So dear student, I am already doing 3 question and answer. Okay? Rest other are doing in yourself in your home. Okay? Number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do yourself. Do yourself because you know what is naming word. Okay? So next page you open. Next page and do yourself. Okay? I am just telling, but do yourself. Put this word in this correct column. First is Canada, Renaissance, Bay Bengals, 1001 Arabian Nights, cricket, May, singer, ocean, Olympic Games with Aditya Eiffel Towers. So you know about first letter is the big letter or capital letter. So that's called proper noun and common noun. One of the place, person, things, animals. Okay? And general names. So that's called common noun. You know earlier? Okay? So what is common noun in this box? Okay? We collect and put this in the columns. Okay? So first see the book. Common noun. Singer. Singer is the general name. So that's called common noun. Ocean is a general name. So that's called common noun. Week, rain and sail. So these are common noun. And another side proper noun. Canada, 1001 Arabian Nights, cricket, Olympic Games, May, Bay of Bengals, Aditya, Eiffel Towers. These are proper noun because the first letter is a big letter or capital letter. So we call proper noun, and this is a special name. Special name. So we call proper noun. So okay, do yourself in your home. Then another number. Write a common noun from each proper noun. Okay? Proper noun. Here is a sum. Proper noun 1 to 10. One of the name is Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad is city. What? City. So here is you write city. The Holy Bible. Holy Bible is one of the book name. So you write book. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean one of the ocean. So you write ocean. Mrs. Anandi Sharma, one of the lady, on the person. So you write lady. Christmas, Christmas, Holi, Diwali. Okay, these are one of the festivals name. So you have write festival. Tom, Tom is the one of the boy name, one of the person name. So you write boy. September. So September is one of the month. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay? September, October, November, December. These are a month name. So here is the September. So you write months. India Gate. So India Gate is one of the gate. So you write gate. Tuesday. Tuesday, one of the day. One of the day. So you write day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These are the days. So you have write day. Indonesia, country. One of the country names. So you write country. Okay. So dear student, we have understand already. So write common noun for each proper noun. Okay. See the book and do yourself in your home. Okay. This is very simple. So next you open next page. Okay. You open next page. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper noun in the sentence. So dear student, I have write some sentence in your blackboard. See the blackboard. Juju. So dear student, see the blackboard. Juju is our pet rabbit. What is pet rabbit? So now underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. First you underline the common noun. So common noun is rabbit. So you have underline, and proper noun Juju. Juju is the proper noun, one of the proper name. So we circle the Juju. Okay. So next one, you have seen the Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. So dear students, see the sentence. The Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. Which place? Kolkata. So Victoria Memorial is a proper noun. So we have circle, and common noun is Kolkata. Okay? Kolkata is a common noun. So you must underline it. Okay? The next number, Dina and Rasi are playing chess. Okay? Playing chess. Here this sentence, Bina is a proper noun, Rasi is a proper noun, and chess one of the common. So okay, dear student, so Bina and Rasi is the proper noun. So we have circle it, and other one chess is the common noun. So we have underline it. Okay. So dear student, I have already written 3 question answer. Okay, and you must know what is proper and what is proper. So here is some numbers. Number 4. Apurva likes to eat prayers. Apurva is a proper noun, so we circle it. And papayas is a common noun. Number 5. Venice is one of the most beautiful cities in Italy. Venice, proper noun. Cities is a common. Italy is the proper. Okay. Sania Mirza is my favorite tennis player. So Sania Mirza is a proper noun and tennis player is a common noun. Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean. So Pacific is the proper and ocean is the common. So here 1 to 10 number we have tick the and circle the proper nouns and common noun you have to. So dear student, so you know proper noun you have circle it and common noun you have underline it. Okay. So clear. So do yourself in your home. Okay. If any doubt, then I will ask again. Okay. So next is read this sentence. Identify the common and proper noun in them. Then put this in the correct columns. Okay. So what is common noun or what is proper noun? So we have underline it and write one. Okay. So Tupur is a proper noun. Is famous artist is a common noun. A long time ago there lived in a king. King is a common. Africa is a proper. Okay. An old porcupine called Needles. Porcupine is a common. Needles live in the forest. Forest is a common with his sons. Hockey and Pocky is the proper. So right here we have underline and which is the proper, which is the common. You have write 1 to 10 number. Okay. So a long sentence is here. So you have choose. Okay. Some words which is the proper and which is the common and do yourself. Okay. If any doubt, I will ask you. Okay. Then next common and proper noun. Okay. So here is your work. Okay. You think one of the words. Okay. Then you have write. Here is artist. Artist, king, porcupine, apples, pearl, dish, bread is the common noun. And proper noun Tupur, Africa, Needles, Hockey, Pocky, Hyderabad, pizza. You have collect this sentence. Okay. You have collect this sentence and write here. Okay. In your copy. Okay, dear student. So I hope you have already know the what is the common noun and what is the proper noun. Okay. So I repeat again. Okay. You may have better understand. I have repeat again. The general name of person, place, things, animal is a common noun. The special name of person, place, animal or things is called proper noun. So what is the difference? General name and special name. So and again, you know, a proper noun always begin with a capital letter. What letter? Capital letter. So first, if anyone the sentence or word, we have see the capital letter first. So that is a proper noun. Okay. And several times we have to common noun. So dear student, finish this chapter. Okay. Finish this chapter. Noun and common noun and proper noun. You have write all the question answer in your copy. Okay. If any doubt, then I will solve again. Okay. So I hope you understand better. Do yourself in your home. Okay. So today we finish this chapter nouns, common and proper. So okay. Chapter 3rd. Okay. Mind it and remember all the question answer and do yourself. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.